Police brutality has been a problem within the United States for a while, but here are some solutions and justifications on how police brutality can be reduced. Solution number 1. Don't mind me with the sweater change. I just got back from a concert. Anyway, solution number 1. Body cameras provide visual evidence of crimes either caused by the citizen and or the police. According to the scholarly journal Police Worn Body Cameras, an antidote to the Ferguson effect, researchers found a 93%, hear me out, 93%, that's huge, reduction in complaints when police officers wear their body cams. With body cams, recorded video is valuable evidence that is difficult to refute, which means to prove in court. In the survey that was provided in the class last week, a great 90% of this class agreed that police officers should have 24/7 body cams. That is 17 out of 19 of you that agreed upon that. That is a really big amount. Well, not really big, but that's literally like 90% of this class. If we think we should have police officers wear body cams, then maybe a lot of other people do. Another reason why body cameras are so important is because viewers will be able to clearly see both sides, both points of view basically. As a result, the usage of body cameras can show what really happened in the situation. So if someone wants to testify what happened, they could show the body camera and, bam. Recorded video evidence refutes false claims against officers. Claims made by both the officer and the citizen can be supported by the recorded video. Solution number 2. Bad apples, unprofessional, improperly trained officers must be fired. They are toxic and dangerous. These are the types of officers that are harmful to citizens and the police force. Also, they are one of the main reasons why police brutality exists. If the police officers are not eliminated from the police force, there is a higher likelihood of a repeat offense of racism and discrimination. Police brutality is based on race-motivated, or seems to be based on race-motivated things, so if you don't get rid of the apple that's poisonous, it'll poison the whole tree. You know what I mean? Most times, the police officers are given a second chance and are able to keep their job despite the deviations they commit. In many cases, police officers take advantage of their authority or power. For example, in the news article by CBS News, there was a report of a police officer intentionally planting narcotics in the suspect's wallet as evidence with his body cam. The police officer thought that his body cam was off. The suspect was already convicted of a hit and run supposedly and found guns in his trunk. So what made things worse for the suspect is that the police officer found narcotics on the floor and tried to plant it in the suspect's wallet, thus making it a double charge for no reason. Solution number 3. Police departments must create and enforce new reasonable use of force standards. One thing that could be changed would be the non-lethal tactics and equipment to avoid killing people. In the USA Today's article named How to Dismantle Racism and Prevent Police Brutality, it talks about non-violent ways to handle a situation between an officer and the citizen. No guns given to the police is one prime example. In library.college.police.uk, it states that law enforcement in England do not have any guns, nor do they enforce any violent activity. Weird, right? Another change that can be brought is the harsh penalties regarding any forms of police brutality. When police officers initiate police brutality, they should be penalized for it. And last but not least, social justice classes to avoid criminalizing a certain population. If we do all of this, we could probably stop or minimize police brutality.